Hey everybody. So I brought a small bag of my treasures. I'm gonna have Robert do a few repairs for me. We're gonna see if anything is good enough to sell, I guess, on eBay, and then I'm going to sell a few things to Brian. So we'll see what we do and how it goes. There's a cool holiday. I got I'm pretty sure this is not silver, but I wanted to find out.
Like an alpaca maybe.
That's it has that dull color like an alpaca, so I was wondering if you could test that one for me.
Drop here.
So what'd you put on it? It turned
14
green.
karat acid.
So it turned to green, so that's definitely alpaca.
You know, it's sizzling. Now we get top.
It's all good. I had these two. It's a 35-year and a 30-year 10 karat pins. Let's see what I get paid on these, and he'll test this stuff. These 10 carats.
All right.
I don't think any of this is gold, but it might be.
All right.
I'm trying to think. Oh, I brought my better stuff for Robert to look at real fast, but I have in here a ring I bought the other day. Little Masonic ring. Actually got it on that real cold day. So that one's 14. I'm gonna scrap that. I don't know how much my repairs are going to be that I have, so that's kind of why I figured I'd scrap some of my treasure to fix my treasure. Yeah, 3 pennyweight's not bad.
Sometimes these backs are not good, so you basically have three pennyweights.
Yeah.
So 3 times 30, $90. Right,
that's pretty good.
90. And then you got. But this is
that was 14. Yeah, that was the one I got from a good friend. 3.5. That's real good.
So let's see here. 3.5 times 41. 143.
That's excellent. Wish I could find more of those for $3. All right. If you want to test any of that, you can.
Here we'll put the football.
The football just didn't have any, like, in the name. The reason I wanted to test it, the name, you know, like how when they cut into gold filled, it kind of looks. I found 2 of these, 2 different places, the same fraternity.
Oh, was it? Yeah.
So it's
maybe they're neighbors.
Nah, the one came from out west when I was out there picking.
The same earring as this one.
Yep.
And this was.
It just looked like the white enamel seemed like it might be.
And then this one.
I don't. That may be silver. A lot of that is steel, I guess.
Yeah, sometimes, but not. There's non-magnetic items. But let's see.
It came out brass color.
Have a 14. Okay, so what do we have? 1, 2.
So these two are gold.
Yeah, those are gold.
And this is gold?
No, disappeared.
What was the first one?
This the football.
No, I thought that was number 1.
Yeah, number 1 football.
No, number 1's here.
Yeah, it disappeared.
But, okay. I'm happy that these are gold.
We'll cut into it too to double check if it's lower.
Well, I know that heavy gold filled tends to.
Well, you know what it is? It's a rose color. So sometimes we get like rose color can give like a
darker
false
color.
Indication, darker. So what we're going to do is make just a little thing on the seam.
Find anything out at the market today?
No, a lot of just costumes over here. Look, 6 boxes.
Wow, that's awesome. Like some awesome beads. I have a friend that all he sells. He goes and does that 500-mile flea market.
Oh yeah, yeah.
And
You set up on the highway.
He'll set up on the highway, but he does over the 5 days, 10 grand in glass beads, but they're all vintage beads is what he sells. At least he said the last couple of years it hasn't been as good.
You hear there's no foaming, so it has to be a 10 carat. But it's in a rose gold. That's why we get it's a.
Yeah, it helped. It's holding pretty good on that last one you did. I mean, I don't care if you cut it in half.
No, that's good.
Not
we cut into it.
Not my high school football thing.
Okay, so let's see what that weighs.
Another 3.5.
3.5. 105.
All right, we do that. 105, 90, and I forget what these two were. Were they 80 or 90? Let's.
Yeah, they were 90.
All right, so 90, 90, 90, and
143, right?
Yeah.
143. 143. Now we have these two.
Yep, and those were 14?
No, they fade, so 10 carat.
Okay.
The rose gold faded more. So, 2.9, so that's going to still be up there. 2.9.
It's kind of funny that I found a pair of these, 2 different places.
Like 147.
Good.
47. All right, so we got 90 plus 105 plus 143 plus 147. Yeah, 485.
Thank you, thank you.
Right there.
All right, and this was just gold filled that I can.
Yep.
Thank you.
Yeah, it disappeared.
But I think I'm going to buy some stuff off of Brian. He's got some really nice jewels in here. Brian, one of my friends was teasing me yesterday on messages. He said, "Say burled bowl 3 times fast," and I got the kids to do it. Oh wow, there's a lot of really nice butterflies and stuff.
You take a peek
burled bowl 3 times fast. If try that one. Demonetized. Nah, it just came up pretty funny. I had the kids say it before school, and they went. You got all these different butterflies. Awesome. There's a bunch of pins in this pile.
Yeah, look, but I have like 8 boxes right there. There's another one.
All micro mosaic.
There's another box there.
Oh,
unsearched.
Wow. That's pretty great. I might have to trade you some of the better stuff I brought. I brought a couple of my, since Robert's not here yet, he might have to, well, I know. This is a good find. It was worth going to the flea market today.
You're sure to watch movements also.
Awesome. Yeah, whatever. I'd be interested in that whole tray if you want to add that up.
All right.
See if he has any other pins like that. Lots of old ivory in here. Look at how nice this ivory bangle is. It's got to be from the 1700s.
I don't know if it's ivory. It could be just.
It could be bakelite, but it's. I think this box of pins. They had better stuff than.
Yeah. Here, I'll pay you for your stuff.
Well, I'm gonna need to.
So you owe me 15.
All right, I owe you 15.
Yeah,
500. Sounds good. I can't believe how nice some of this stuff is. And some of the prices on it's pretty high, Brian. Like,
I know, I think it might have been an old jeweler who passed away.
something like that.
It's old tags. It's been away for years.
Here, this is something to put at auction. Look at this silver Chinese clasp.
Yeah, there could be some jade pieces in there too.
I don't think it's coral. That looks like it's stone. I love these. These are the deco glass beads. You should have called me and said you had some. I could have easily missed this today.
No, I didn't have it on display.
No, I know that. I'm saying that, like, you should have called and said you found something good. I would have been happy to, because then I would have ran to the ATM instead of the gold ATM. These are nice. Another set of beads.
Yeah, there's more better beads like in between.
Better beads?
You know, I have
Yeah.
some of the older ones.
Okay. I'm gonna go to the next bin just because that was too fun. It's heavy. Oh. Like that pink. Got to be 200 crystal necklaces in here.
I know. And I still have like 2 or 3 boxes.
Oh wow, that's pretty. Look at this clasp on that bracelet. I don't know, for all the people who've always been mad that I never pick necklaces, I guess you can be happy today. Because I am going to buy a few of these. All AB crystal. I know you got to get out of here. All right, good. Good. Almost looks Christmas colors. All right, since I'm finding too much, I'm going to show you one of my nice things I brought. I was saving it for here, test this guy. It might be.
It's pretty common for me, so.
Yeah. Well, no, I was thinking it might be.
But he may buy it as a piece. I buy like oddities.
Oddities like this guy right here. That's it's a, but it's
Japanese fan.
But it's got the gold
quartz.
Yeah, the gold quartz.
Yeah.
Probably San Francisco.
Yeah, that's nice.
Victorian. With the, what's nice is it's got the Irish shamrocks on it.
Yeah.
So that came from my box, not your box. I'm just showing you. I have stuff to trade if that's how it has to go today. I like the blue, but I don't like the hearts. Alright, I think that is it in this. Those are nice beads. I've been getting flack for all the new people watching. One-handed picking. Can you believe I'm not even left-handed?
You got the shakes.
I got the shakes. Yeah, nah, that happens. No, I think that's normally because it's just been so cold with the picking outside. No, I've tried filming with my left hand, but the camera doesn't stay, the camera gets too unstable, I guess. Those pink beads are really nice. There's only 3 of them, but... that blue is a nice one. I like how old all the clasps are too. This definitely took somebody a long time to put all these together, picking at the market. Now it'd take you a ton of time to put all this.
Dave, this batch here,
Uh-huh.
there's 18 sections here.
Yep.
$300 for everything.
Okay.
It comes out to $16.66 per section. So
All right.
review that and say, what's everything silver or 800 silver?
Mm-hmm.
It's unusual pieces.
Yeah, no, I agree.
You'll see.
So wait, 300 for this?
300 for the whole tray.
Okay.
And then, I'm sorry,
And then I have this pile here.
yeah,
too.
yeah, I'll work on it. You still have more here.
Yep. Here's some really, really nice enamel stuff in here.
It's oddities.
Yeah. Thank you for letting me look at this. I think I'm gonna have to say yes on this. So
You go over and show your viewers, right? There's 18 sections.
Yep. Can I have the tray?
Yes.
All right. I appreciate it. I got something in the car I'm gonna go get that. It's stuff that you like to collect too.
A lot of micro mosaic.
Yep, there was a
things.
bunch of
Yeah,
little
bunch of those.
mosaics in there.
Mosaics. So I don't know if like this whole group like $200.
200?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, look, but there's a lot of micro mosaics. So
Yeah,
I
I'm
could
gonna
pass
say
that.
that's fair.
Okay.
So,
I did take this out, one earring, because I think we might have lost the other earring
okay.
on there.
Well, here's your 5 back. Could you do 185 on this? So that way we're even?
Okay, yeah, that's good. We'll pass it along.
All right, now I just have
It's all
to.
fresh to the market, so nobody's ever seen
Well,
it.
I just have to now make back my money for all my repairs on something else. I'm happy. I'll definitely double or triple my money on that, Brian. So thank you.
Now you have more someplace.
This is what I brought. Is that for you? The cloisonne?
Two newer.
All right, but these were old. The 2 Victorian head tiles.
But sometimes the tiles are good if they're like a matte finish. These are a high glaze. I don't do that much with that.
Okay.
A matte finish, American. But these are very good for backsplashes on kitchens and things.
Oh yeah, no, these are they've been modern framed, but after I don't take them out of the frame and sell them on eBay. Easy come, easy go, but I'm pretty happy with all the stuff that I just picked up for the 485. But I was happy that I scrapped the gold. Just means I gotta go. You said this is sterling?
Yeah, it's marked on the back.
Wow.
See, there's a maker mark and everything on it.
I've never seen one like that.
Yeah.
There's definitely some pretty great.
Even look at this. I don't know if that's Siam. Look, did you see this pin? Look at this with the dancer.
Yeah, it is Siam. I had one like that.
But nice, all multicolored.
Yep. It's pretty great. Brian, thank you very much for such a good deal.
You'll get some nice comments on this.
I believe so. It's good to have good friends, so I appreciate it. All right.
Okay, thanks for the great deal.
Thank you for the good deal. I really appreciate it. I guess Robert's not showing up. He'll be back. He'll be back this weekend.
Yes.
All right. Well, I'll show him that better stuff next weekend. But I'm glad I came.
Okay.
That was. Thank you. I really got lucky just because I didn't know Brian had this deal. I came to see Robert, and I was going to scrap a little bit, but the amount of great items that I just picked up made my day. That, and I got to keep all my my higher end stuff. I didn't have to sell any of it to get a whole months of new inventory. So he didn't want my awesome Victorian gold fan. I'm pretty sure it's from San Francisco with the gold quartz in the background, but it is 14 karat. I didn't want to scrap it. That was mainly the reason why. Robert, and the other thing I brought Robert to show him was I found the back on this watch for my Civil War watch. So that was the reason I came today. Definitely very, very happy. Nice carved Bakelite bracelet. Bunches of these micro mosaics, and tons of beaded necklaces. So barrel bowl. Peace. It is a lucky day. The crocuses are up too now. First time I've seen crocuses all year. It's later in the day, so they've closed up, a lot of them. But there you go. Really, really, really nice. All right. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.